Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ni acokete na muciĩ gicigo-ini kia Nyanza kuhurira ndebe BBI kuria umuthi acemanirie na atongoria a mwena uyu. Mũcemanio wa umuthi ukugenetwo ni magavana, ambunge, senators udumwe na MCAs aria metikiraniirie kunyita mbaru BBI. Gicigo giki gikoragwo na kaunti ithatu kuria bunge ya Siaya niyo ya mbere bururi-ini kuhitukia BBI, Raila akiuria ici ingi igiri cirikiririe mitaratara ya kumihitukia ona ihenya.
Development Fund, which is not there in BBI, where youth can go and borrow money in order to start their projects, and they don't have to pay any interest for 7 years. Access to capital is what our youth require.
Akimihurira ndebe, Raila oigite BBI ni kurehe moguni maingi kuri aikari a gicigo giki na ota mutugo okiriire munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni kuregana na BBI.
Instead of being employees, they can become employers. This is how to deal with poverty in our country, by creating opportunities for social upward mobility of our youth. It is not by giving the youth wheelbarrows or mkokoteni or mamamboga. Nobody want to be a mamamboga the rest of our life.
Mĩario yake nĩ nyitirwo mbaru ni seneta wa Siaya James Orengo uria ukomithirie Ruto ni uregani wake wa BBI undu umwe na kwagira President Uhuru Kenyatta gitio.
We do not need a person who is antagonizing the people of Kenya and antagonizing the government in Ruto. But we need a person who is organizing Kenyans and organizing the government in Baba.
This BBI document, from a legal perspective, orange are the questions which are being asked are questions who do not have a basis and a foundation.
Kuma na gicajama thutha wa Raila kuigata gavana Obado king'ang'a-ini thutha wa gukinya mucemanio macereirwo.
Key national issues.
Huko mucemanio wa Raila gicigo-ini kia Nyanza ugithi na mbere, Ruto nake ni agire na giikaro na atongoria a Tanga kuria maiguithanirie BBI ti ya bata ihinda-ini riri.
As leaders, we are in touch with the people on a continuous basis and with their needs and aspiration. We reiterate our earlier position that constitutional changes are not a priority for the nation, and a consensus building is the way forward, and that issues that we raised last time in this same venue needs to be addressed.
Micemanio ino yeri yukite riri bunge ya bururi na iria cia kaunti iracokereria kuma rucio guku ndereti ya BBI ikiregererwo gukorwo ikinyita thinga. Kwa ihinda riri no kaunti imwe ihitukitie BBI na kuringana na gatiba bunge cia kaunti itanyihire 24 no nginyagia imihitukie niguo mutaratara wa kura ya maoni ukorwo ugithi ikinya riu ringi bunge-ini ya bururi. Ribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.